Hello, I'm Austin, and I'm currently taking the Makeup and Skincare program at Boca Beauty Academy. I just graduated high school towards the beginning of June, and as soon as I was done, I jumped right into here. I've only been doing this program for about a week and a half to 2 weeks now, and I'm absolutely loving it. What brought me to Boca Beauty Academy, and particularly what brought me to the Makeup and Skincare program, was just my love for cosmetics in general. For the past 4 or 5 years, I've really been doing my own makeup every single day, learning the techniques, studying hard, and I didn't want to work a normal 9 to 5. I wanted to work on my own rules. I wanted to work on what made me happy. You know, before I was a kitchen manager for a restaurant in Boca, and that just really was not doing me well. So I said, let me break free and do what actually makes me happy and makes me want to get up in the morning. My goals for my makeup and skincare knowledge were originally to become a celebrity makeup artist and to travel the world, going city to city, fashion show to fashion show, and just having a lovely time with whoever my celebrity bestie is that I'm doing their makeup. But I joined this program because I wanted to reinforce the skill set that I already had, and I wanted to get that professional knowledge that you just can't really find so often online. But eventually, I hope to use my garnered knowledge and experiences to write a book or memoir that kind of goes over all the techniques that I love to use, all the things that might help people at home and might help just people who love makeup like me be even better at it. Boca Beauty Academy has meant a lot to me, even over these 2 weeks that I've been here. It's just amazing to be a part of the community, to see happy faces every day, and to be a part of what I love, which is just beauty. So if anybody at home is wondering what they want to do with their life and they can pick up a blending brush, then come on over to Boca Beauty Academy.